Today we are in Skillman, New Jersey. We're going to show you a project of a deck project that we did start yesterday. It's complete deck renovation. We're going to remove all the rotted boards, all the railing, the spindles, the floor, and we're going to build a new stairs, new floor, new railing, new spindles, new post, and few lights fixture on top. This is our project for the next 1 week. So please follow me and I'll show you the project. This is our current project in Skillman, New Jersey. We do a deck project, deck renovation, complete. So this client asked us to remove all the existing deck and just keep the foundation. He used to have wood deck, as you see here, and we're going to install PVC material. Everything will be PVC. You know, it lasts probably like way more years than the wood, and that it got rotted. All the frame of the deck, we're replacing the 2x10 here. All the frame, all the edges were like completely rotted from water, snow that was sitting here for years. Probably this deck is probably like 30 years old. So you see all the framing, all the edges we are replacing. Also, we're going to install another boards parallel to this board, along this board, to support the floor. Because of the design, we need to put the floor in a way that we need to support it underneath. So this will be, all this is brand new. We just have to complete the other side, and this will be it for the structure. All this part is the existing 2x10s. So we're going to keep it here, and then we're going to build a brand new deck on top of that. The brand new like floor, railing, spindles, post, electric work. We're going to have some post here. All this what we demolished yesterday, and we're going to put everything in the dumpster. In the driveway we have the dumpster, and yeah, this will be the first part of the project. Okay, as you see here, we're building the stairs into the deck, and then the reason that we applying here this concrete foundation, because we want the structure of the stairs to sit on top of the concrete. The last contractor that installed the previous stairs, he installed the stairs into the ground, and then that's why he got rotted. The base of the structure got rotted, and then the whole stairs were like shaky. So it was not safe. So by the code, we install here this foundation concrete. So the stairs will sit on top of the concrete. So while it's going to rain, the water will not touch the wood. It will be high enough that the water will be on top of the concrete or on top of the soil here, and it will not touch the structure of the stairs. So this is by the code. This is what we explained the client, and the client loved the plan, because whatever the previous contractor or the other guys that used to work here, they didn't do it correct. Lucky that nobody hurts, but this is the right way. We're going to apply the concrete today. We're going to let it dry 24 hours, and probably in 2 days or 3, we're going to start installing the stairs and the floor. But this is the right way to install base for the foundation base for the stairs of the deck. For this deck project, we're going to use plastic material for the deck. We used to have the wood that has got rotted. After like 25 years, it was like in a very, very bad condition, and it was unsafe to use the deck. The railing was like shaky. And so we're going to use plastic material. You know, with many options in the market, like composite decking, you've got vinyl, PVC. So this material, the company gives warranty of like, I believe 35 years. It's not going to get rotted. It's not going to have the wavy materials that used to be in the market like maybe 15 years ago. Also, big advantage, the new material of the plastic material is not as hot. It doesn't absorb the heat like it used to be. Like 10-15 years ago, when you used to use like a plastic material on decking, it used to be even hard to walk like a barefoot on the floor of the deck. So this material, even right now today, I think it's like 90 degrees. I'm touching the materials. I can leave my hand here. It's not that hot. I mean, of course it's getting hot, but not as much that you cannot like walk on top of that. Big advantage. So we can walk on that. It doesn't get rotted, it doesn't get damaged. You can have snow on that for like a week and nothing happened to the material. So yeah, it's a big project. We're going to install a brand new deck. We're completely removing the old one, installing new one. We're just going to keep the structure, the base structure, and the foundation, the concrete foundation. And we're going to install new floor. The floor will be from plastic material. The railing and the spindles will be from aluminum. As you see here, it's going to be vertical aluminum section that we're going to install on top. This is the lattice underneath to prevent animals to go underneath the deck. We're going to have the plastic material also, and then we're going to have posts. Also the post made of aluminum. We also have one huge post that we're going to install a light fixture on top. The client's also made of aluminum and metal materials. So yeah, this is our project for the next probably 1 week. We're looking forward for it. Thanks.